little video, or I'm making this little video to show you how you can elaborate on your results pages. So this is just like a start from scratch quiz. This is what the like default results page looks like. So obviously you can name your title right here. You can add an image. Let's just do, I couldn't think of anything better. Here we go, people working on a computer. So you can add images in here, crop and save, and then here's where you can start typing out your results about, I don't know, let's go like deeper into details, and then you have your let's do your quick wins, your bio, and some resources. So here's where you can, like, let's say you want the details, you want to like highlight the title of that or something. So what you can do is just highlight that text, and then up here on the format bar, here's where you can change your fonts. There is only one font per page, so if you have like a consistent font that you use, that's what I would do. But if you want to change the sizing of this, you can go click on these little 3 dots, and you can change to like a big header. Maybe your quick wins, you want to put something slightly smaller. Bio is a header 3. I'm just showing what each of these look like. And then like the 4th header would look like this. Let's say in your bio you want to add a picture. So here you go right back up to the format bar, click on the icon here, and let's see if I can find a picture of someone smiling. There we go. Crop and save. And then this will insert the picture where you had the mouse or like the cursor. So that adds your photo. You can play with you can play with the bold, the italics, the underline. What else? There's another thing in here. If you click on here, here's where you can like indent your text or put it back. This line here actually puts a break in your results pages. So that would like split up the text. If you like want to put something into sections, you can link anything that you want. This can be tricky. I'm just going to link this to Google. Now see, let's just say I want quick wins to link. The text, let me do this actually, sorry. I want quick wins to be linked. If I do this and add in my URL, I have to type in the text that I want to hyperlink. So even though I selected quick wins, I still have to highlight that. And then I can click on open the link in the new tab if that's what you want. Save, sorry. Okay, so then that's linked. And then I think here, yep. So this was all in the format, the text box here. If you want to change up colors, like this bottom button, that you would do up here. Why didn't that work? Go here, button, I want pink. There we go. So you just have to actually click in on here. The other thing I wanted to show you, yes, up here, this icon would allow you to put your logo. Let's see if I can just put a picture in there for now so you can see it, but it'll allow you to put your logo, here it is, right on the results page. And actually that can be throughout your quiz as well. So any other questions, let me know. I hope this helped, but this is just a way that you can format and make this look a little bit prettier. You're not gonna be able to be as creative as you would on your own landing page, but there's definitely some different things that you can play with to make the results much longer. Also, feel free to copy over from a template. If you see something there that you really like, use the template and then just replace it with your own information. Okay, let me know if you need anything else.